Hey scrappers, showing you here now simple way you can strip Romex wire and turn it into number 1 Great Bear or number 1 copper. So you can take the 3 strands that come out of the Romex. There's 3 of them. One comes, it's not even wrapped in any plastic. You just have to untake the paper off of it and it goes right into the bucket. Razor blade. See this. The 3 wires, see? The 3 wires of Romex. See, one's not even coated in anything. You don't even have to strip that. You strip all of them. But that one you can start with. You can fill up a bucket with that. You don't even have to strip it. You just have to slice open the Romex casing, and you've got 3 nice size, decent wires. Well, for now, scrappers, that's 101 stripping Romex. Make money. Take care.